point the camera towards me.
What are you doing?
Opening up a box. Oh, I see Everdell. Oh my goodness! Look at this. We got vessels with it. We could put all our resources in there. We got the card sleeve set. Oh my goodness. And then another box within a box. This thing is so huge. Get the other side. Oh, and there she is. She's massive. Oh my goodness, she's huge. I can't. You're gonna have to help me with that. Wow. Ooh. Okay. Well, Facebook or YouTube.
I'm not playing on Facebook. I'm playing on YouTube.
I don't want to. Everyone's been unboxing their stuff already.
Yeah, but they haven't got all the stuff we got in.
Yes, they have.
They don't get this, too.
Some people do. I don't like the black border. That's kind of weird. But it's gorgeous. Dang. You're going to have a big... leaves, tokens.
What are the leaves for?
I don't know. Probably one of the other games. The other expansions. This is for something.
I have no idea what these are for.
This is wood right here because it's wood, right?
It seems like all of it will fit in there.
Pine cones, I think. Or maybe these are the resource ones, just the normal resource ones.
I don't know.
Yeah, it makes sense because there's 3.
There's more than 3, isn't there?
Oh no,
oh.
These ones are only 3. And then...
That's probably for stone.
Steel or stone, yeah.
Or the amber, maybe.
Like and then a little boat. Very cute. Oh my goodness. There's just so much. This thing is massive. Where are we going to put such a massive game?
It won't even fit in a calyx or whatever that stuff is.
It won't fit in a calyx. This is way too big for a calyx. Oh. This is huge. This is half my height.
Tells you how to stack it and stuff.
Stack everything. The meeples. Everything, how it's stacked all together. We should have the wooden set. Here's all the cardboard punch outs. Oh, one of them already fell out.
Well, hopefully it's down there.
Oh, it's right here.
Okay.
Let's make sure the tree is actually wooden. Yep, we have the wooden tree. Oh, I don't know where this went. Oh, and the meeples are right below them. Okay, so.
I think a tray comes out.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. All these things, we have no idea what they're used for. Because there's so many of them. We've only ever played the base game.
We're gonna learn. Man, these are huge. I don't even think I can fit them back anymore. Oh, so big. There's a rabbit. Frog. Interesting. These are different green.
Oh, this has it too. Has a, well, it's like a cat, but it has small and different color frog. I don't understand it.
Yeah, they're all like that. This one has a frog too, and
maybe it's must be player tokens, maybe for something. I don't know.
Oh, look, a snail. That's cute. The porcupines.
It's the hedgehog.
The hedgehogs.
I think. Are they the same?
No, they're the porcupines, I think. Yeah, so maybe, I don't know, maybe if you just choose a color, you're then able to... Well,
Oh, so they had a frog in that color too then?
Yeah.
Oh. So yeah, it must be a...
These are all pets.
For any one of the expansions.
Yeah. They're very cool. So many colors to choose from. Oh, so awesome.
I'm just gonna have to take it out.
No, the box is broken.
What? Oh no, our box is broken. Whatever. We'll have to fix it.
Here's our something.
I'll tell you the thing.
All the stickers. So many stickers. We'll have fun with that.
So that's all the cards.
These are all the cards with more room for more cards.
And their sleeves.
And their sleeves. Yeah. Very nice. Cards. Oh, base
To separate
theme.
out the things.
Mm-mm.
Also, I don't know what that is. It's like connected to itself.
Oh, these are the individual player boards.
Oh, what?
Yeah. So you put this and then you line up your tableau from here. So it's just a place for you to organize.
Really?
You put your resources down here.
Oh.
It just keeps you organized.
That looks nice. That's nice then.
Yeah.
But there's so many.
Ooh, look at the mushrooms.
Oh, that's for maybe single player?
Maybe. For a different game. Yeah. They're just individual player boards.
Yeah, like that. Stickers?
More stickers for tokens for the remember
The occupied ones. The scorecard for what? Terry Hare scorepad? Huh. Interesting.
all creators below certify that the information shown here is true and correct to the best of their knowledge. All falsehoods are in error.
I like that.
Yeah, it's really cute. And they're double-sided too. And then a bag for, I'm assuming, resources.
Who knows?
But
Well, why would resources go in there?
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens when we actually start playing with them. Oh, the actual board.
Wondering where it was.
They're really nice. here's
Oh, it's like the top part of the board or something.
all the boards that you need for all the expansions are in here. Just gonna leave them there. They're kind of jammed in there. So, yep, that's. Oh, and it's felt too.
Oh,
Fancy.
very too fancy for me.